It was a cold and rainy afternoon. The wind was strong, and the streets were almost empty. In a small cafe on the corner of the street, a girl sat alone near the window. Her name was Emma. She was 22 years old. She had brown hair, big green eyes, and a red scarf. She came to the cafe every Saturday at 3 p.m. Emma didn't like crowds. She liked quiet places. This cafe was her favorite. It had soft music, warm lights, and the best hot chocolate in town. She always sat at the same table. She brought her notebook and a pen. Sometimes, she wrote poems. Sometimes, she just watched the people outside. That day, the cafe was quiet. Only two other people were there, an old man reading a newspaper and a couple talking softly. Emma ordered her usual, a cup of hot chocolate and a slice of apple pie. As she waited, she looked out the window. She saw a little dog running in the rain. It had no owner. It looked cold and wet. Emma smiled. She loved animals. The waitress brought her order. "Here you go," she said kindly. "Thank you," Emma replied with a small smile. She took a sip of her hot chocolate and opened her notebook. But she didn't write. Her mind was full of thoughts. She felt a little lonely that day. Her best friend had moved to another city. Her job was boring. Life felt the same every day. Just then, someone walked into the cafe. A young man, about her age. He had a blue jacket and wet hair. He looked around and saw that all the tables were full, except for Emma's. He walked to her and asked, "Excuse me, can I sit here?" Emma was surprised. She looked at him and said, "Sure." He smiled and sat down. "Thanks. It's raining so hard out there." Emma nodded. "Yes, it is." They didn't talk for a minute. Then the man said, "My name is Daniel." "I'm Emma," she said. And just like that, a conversation began. They talked about books, music, travel, and the rain. Time passed quickly. Emma laughed for the first time that day. She forgot about the cold, the rain, and even her notebook. When Daniel left, he said, "It was nice to meet you. Maybe we can talk again next Saturday." Emma smiled. "Yes. I'll be here." And for the first time in many weeks, she didn't feel alone.